how to add Apple Pay to Shopify. To show you this, we have to go to our settings, and that's gonna be here in the bottom left corner right next to the gear icon. We just click on that, and from here we go to payments, and now up here we want to choose a provider. I'm just going to click on that, and from here, well, right next to the search bar to the right is this filter icon, and here I'm going to choose Apple Pay. Just going to take that one, and that will show me all the providers which have Apple Pay enabled. You can just choose one of them, for example Stripe, just preferred, and then it will ask you to add your email, and you just have to continue and follow the steps, and that will add Apple Pay to your Shopify. So that's how you add Apple Pay to Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.